everyone, welcome to the Style Soiree that is presented by ROE Events. They have beautiful collection of various things, especially for the wedding and festivity jewelry भी है उनके पास. And to check out the collection this time, let's check it out together.
कलेक्शन में उनके पास बहुत ही सुंदर एंड ट्रेंडिंग फर्शी सलवार सूट के ऑप्शंस हैं. कैजुअल कलेक्शन है. दे हैव साड़ीज, दुपट्टास, ब्यूटीफुल ऑप्शन इफ यू आर अ ब्राइड्समेड, इफ यू आर अ ब्राइड, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर योर ट्रूजो आउटफिट्स और फॉर अ वेडिंग फंक्शन. They have it all under one roof. So do check them out. 26th and 27th November. They also have beautiful options in jewelry as well. So yes, all this is happening at the Bohemian Gallery for 2 days, 26th and 27th. Swipe left to see the entire collection.
This is Brand Silver Hub and they have beautiful options in these statement pieces. If you are a bride to be or if you're a bridesmaid, they have so many options here in so many different designs. If you want a choker, if you want something in long, they have all those options available here. They also have beautiful options in earrings. If you're looking for some statement pieces this wedding season, then just look at the beautiful options they have. Few more pieces from the collection. These are all very pretty. They are all chokers. If you want something in bracelets, they have that too, and that also they have different varieties. Something in fusion if you want, they have that option too. I'm loving this one, very beautiful. So yes, this is their entire collection. Beautiful. This is brand Tanirika by Hiral.
Red, orange, yellow, blue.
Lovely.
As you can see.
Okay.
ये dyeable भी है white.
Okay, they have dyeable options
Yes.
too.
They have pink.
Beautiful. पूरा pink का. This is Mamta Creations and ma'am has brought beautiful sarees and suit sets. So this is a beautiful saree. Look at that. Lovely. Okay. Let's check out more options. All right. Beautiful. Lovely. This is ikat print, I guess.
ikat print.
Lovely. Okay.
The Parsi border, hand applique border.
This is Parsi border. Wow. Loving this one. Okay. Moving on to some more options and then just look at that. Okay. So these are beautiful options in
Hand applique.
hand
thread
applique
work.
thread
Thread
work. Okay. All right.
This is Kashmiri handwork.
Kashmiri handwork. Okay. Lovely.
These are all sets, 3-piece sets.
These are all 3-piece set options. Okay. And what are these?
These
ma'am?
are block prints. Hand.
This is brand Hirye by Sonal and look at the beautiful piece that ma'am is wearing. Look at the back detailing. Look at the contrast dupatta, the detailing on the sleeve. Lovely. Okay. So yes ma'am, और collection में क्या क्या है?
मेरे पास अभी लेटेस्ट जो ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है फर्सी सलवार.
Okay. Wow. So ma'am has got
इस टाइप से
Parsi
रहेगा.
salwar.
पूरा हैवी में रहेगा.
Okay.
इसमें कलर ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे आपको.
All right.
फिर मलचंदेरी में ऐसे पूरा वर्क वाला रहेगा.
Beautiful.
मलचंदेरी के मतलब बहुत सारी ऑप्शंस रहेंगे.
Okay. मलचंदेरी में आपको बहुत सारे options मिल जाएंगे.
फिर ये सब अभी हैवी में पार्टी वेयर मतलब जो मैरिजेस के हिसाब से आप डाल सकते हैं.
Okay.
इसमें बहुत वैरायटी मिलेगी. ऐसा पूरा
Look
वर्क वाला
at
रहेगा.
that.
और कस्टमाइज करती हूँ मैं. जो भी किसी को कुछ अगर करवाना है तो इसमें इस टाइप से वैरायटी फुल मिलेगा आपको. ये सब.
Lovely.
ये भी एक फर्सी सलवार का नया है. फर्सी सलवार के साथ
Very
पूरा हैंड वर्क का रहेगा.
This is brand Moshvi Designs and first let's check out ma'am's look. So beautiful 3-piece suit set. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Yes.
Hello. We have this.
Okay.
This is pure organza and
Okay.
these all are handwork.
Pure
Yeah.
organza with handwork. Okay.
And this is Parsi salwar.
Okay.
This
Very
is very
trending.
trending. Yeah.
Right.
Then we have the same piece which I am wearing.
Lovely.
We have sizes.
Okay. So they have sizes
Yeah.
options in that available.
And look at this. This is also with Farsi salwar.
Okay.
And this is organza crush.
Look at that. Beautiful. Okay.
And then we have this.
Wow. Something very
These all
different.
are handwork. And we have 3 more colors in this.
Okay. They have 3 more color options in that as well.
And then we have kaftan
Okay.
in pure crepe fabric with
Hello, it's Sari by Tanuj Creation. So we are over here, Bohemian. We have brocade blazers.
Okay, brocade blazers.
Yeah, then we have that Banarsi kurta.
Banarsi kurta.
Different lining also.
Oh wow, interesting.
And we have that bandage bandhani.
Okay.
And then like shrug and dhoti style.
Okay, shrug and dhoti style.
We have that velvet handwork. Pura handwork hai.
Wow, very smart.
And we have that gown type also.
Okay, they have gown में भी options हैं उनके
And
पास.
हमारे पास different designs है जो trendings में है. Lapel,
Right.
shawl collar and all.
Okay,
Then we have that simple dress with the minimal work.
wow.
With the
Okay,
sugar fabric.
something very minimal yet beautiful.
Then we have also these things like long किसी को लटकन वाला चाहिए and all. So we have
थोड़ा
these
different
things.
design.
Then we have kaftan.
Okay,
जो
we have
trends में है.
kaftan.
Then हमारे पास blazers है.
Okay, they have blazers में भी options.
Designers blazers है हमारे पास
Right.
सारे. So like
This is brand Trupa's creation and they have beautiful Indo-Westerns. थोड़ा wedding collection भी है उनके पास and casual collection भी है. Okay, very pretty. कुछ very different. All right, that comes with a contrast pant. Okay, then they have these two-piece kurta set options as well. If you want something casual for work. Banarasi pura. Okay, with pants. This is also quite trending in weddings, baithaks. Okay, that's a front knot style pura kurta hai. Again with pants. Again a three-piece kurta set option. Okay. Pretty. Okay. Very pretty. ये सारे options भी available हैं उनके पास. Dupattas and dress.
Hi, this is Meghna from ROE Gems and Jewelry. We have beautiful wedding collection.
Okay, just look at the beauty.
Small chokers to long neck pieces.
Okay.
All statement jewelry from Jartar to Monzonite.
Lovely. Just look at that. If you want some beautiful statement piece for this wedding season, just look at the beautiful options that ma'am has brought. Very pretty. Continuing with Arohi Gems and Jewels, they have beautiful options in bangles, earrings, as you can see. If you want anything beautiful, traditional, they have it all, from bracelets to these loose bracelets. If you want something like this, if you want something dainty, very very delicate, they have that also. And they have beautiful option of Western fusion jewelry. So look at the options that they have. You can wear this on a shirt, on a kurta, on quad set, even on saris. Just look at this particular piece. So this is brand Tantuk by FNB. Hello ma'am.
Hi,
Yes.
Hi, I'm Bhumika from Tantuk by FNB.
Okay.
And today we have this different collection.
Beautiful. Wow. Very vibrant neon green color.
We have this Indo-Western as well.
Okay, Indo-Western style में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए, they have options there too.
Three-piece suit.
Three-piece suit set options. Lovely. Okay, that's a baby pink suit.
Anarkali.
Okay, they have anarkali, beautiful ivory में with sleeve detailing. Lovely. पूरा contrast दुपट्टा है उसका. Something in tissue. Perfect if you're a wedding guest, if you have to attend a wedding.
Something in this.
Okay, something very different and beautiful. Lovely.
Cord set.
Quad.
Hi, my brand name is Kanisha Designs and this time was something different like you tissue ma.
Okay.
आपको Indo-Western shade. Then something like this.
Okay, very pretty.
And some Malchanderi suits.
Okay, Malchanderi suit options. Lovely. You will get colors and sizes available till 46.
Some shararas.
शरारा options हैं.
Then some pastel shades.
ओके सो पेस्टल्स भी अवेलेबल है. अगर आपकी कोई थीम है तो उस थीम के अकॉर्डिंग मैच करने वाले कलर ऑप्शंस हैं. वेरी वेरी ब्राइट ट्रेंडिंग कलर्स ऑल्सो मैम हैज ब्रॉट.
Green.
Pinks, greens to match your wedding and festive
in red.
vibe. Something in red, and red में भी patterns अलग अलग हैं उनके पास. Beautiful options with sleeve detailing. Lovely.